We've done lots of testing with the drop stitch material. We've done compression testing, we've done pull testing, we've done cold weather testing, but what we haven't done yet is show you what happens if you get a hole in one of the panels. Today we're going to explain how to repair the panel temporarily or permanently if you have the time. What's important to note is that if you do lose pressure in one of the panels, the structure is still operational, it'll still stand upright, and you won't lose any capabilities out of the bunkhouse at all. So we have lost pressure in the front panel. As you can see, the bunkhouse is still standing upright. You have not lost operational capability of the structure at all. What we're going to do now is simulate repairing this panel while it's still in place.